Hi teacher, today I'm going to make a deer makeup for Halloween. This is for my evidence tree, I think. The first step is that we're going to take off our hair from our face, and then we're going to start with the makeup. The first thing we need to take is the primer. I have this one here. Sorry teacher, it's because tomorrow I'm leaving the country and I don't have all my stuff here, so sorry if maybe it's not a complete makeup, but I'm gonna do my best try. I hope the lighting is okay. We take our sponge and we blend all this primer. This primer has a little bit of color. Then I'm gonna take my concealer because I have a lot of dark spots on my eyes. That's why I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer. Then you maybe wanted your sponge wet, but I don't have any toner to wet this sponge, so because I already do my trunk, so I'm doing it with what I have. I bought a new camera, teacher, a GoPro, for my trip because I wanna do a lot of videos there because I'm gonna be on the jungle. So I really want to do a nice video of my trip. I end with the concealer. I hope it looks great. I'm sorry for all this mess, teacher. It's because I haven't had the time to do this, to do all my room. It's because right now I'm in a really bad situation. I really want, it's so stressful. I got sick, like a flu or something like that. So because all of the stress that I got these weeks, that's what the doctor told me. For third step, we're gonna take face powder to sell all the concealer and the primer, and nothing gonna move from here. Then we're going to take a good makeup brush to remove the most face powder or the excess. Then I got this palette for my birthday to do like a pintacaritas, so that this is what I'm gonna use today. We're going to take a brush. I don't know which I can take right now, so I'm gonna take whatever I have. For this makeup, you can use like a contour or something like that. So it's not necessary to have this palette. I just got it for special reasons. So I am cleaning the brush to take the brown color. You can use, if you don't have this palette, you can use your contour or a bronzer stick, something like that. So I'm going to take this color from here, this light brown, And I'm going to use it for do the nose and maybe some contour. You're going to see. Like this. It's not necessary to be perfect, a perfect line, because you can do it again. You know? Like this. I'm gonna really miss the class teacher, but I think I need to go on this trip to maybe miss this, to miss all the things I had, and to be with the conscious of what I had on here, so maybe to be more thankful and all that stuff, you know. This is the nose that I made, and then with a here's my tool. With a wet sponge, we're going to take again the same color, but for here, and to do like a contour in the face, you know, like something like this. I hope this makeup helps me to do what I want to do. I never do this makeup, so it's the first time I make this thing, this type of makeup, this Halloween makeup. I know that it's going to be Christmas. Maybe you can use it in Christmas, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It's a good makeup. I don't think it's that too hard to do. One time I made one of Beetlejuice, and that one was very hard to do. This is the 5th step, I think, or the 4th. To do the contour all by your face. You can take a makeup brush if you want to make a better blend. I want to blend a little bit the line of the nose to do a more realistic contour here, you know, like that. I hope it looks great on the camera, because I don't have any battery on my phone, so I wasn't able to record with my phone. I hope the sickness that I have right now, I didn't have it tomorrow. I don't have it tomorrow, so I'm gonna be so thankful with God if I don't get more sick. Do we already have the nose and maybe the contour? Then I'm gonna do a eyeliner, a brown eyeliner with the same color, and this is maybe the 6th step. We do the eyeliner, a long eyeliner, because we're going to do like a connected one, a connection with the nose, like that. I hope it, see on the camera, you can see, like that. When I was a kid, I was really in love with the Pinta Caritas thing on the parties. I don't know why, but I was always expecting that in the party that I'm gonna go, there were a woman doing Pinta Caritas, because I was really in love with making anything on my face. We made like this eyeliner to look like a deer or a reindeer, and then we're gonna make it again, but in the other side. I hope it looks the same. I'm gonna do my best try to don't mess this up. I'm gonna thanks Porter that he reminds me that I'm gonna need to do this evidence. Look, I haven't finished here yet. I think it looks really the same. I hope it does, because I'm doing my best try. Then I'm gonna make the nose. You can do it like a brown nose because Rudolph, but or pink, just like a normal deer or something like that. I'm gonna do it red because I want to do it like Rudolph. So I'm going to take a little bit of red of the same palette. I'm gonna send this video to Ivana. I hope she recreates the same makeup, and I'm gonna be so thankful with her if she do her best try, because I don't know how I'm gonna send this to when I go to Costa Rica. We do the nose. It looks really cute. You can put some mascara. Maybe I'm gonna put some mascara to do like a different style. And with another brush, sorry teacher, with another brush and with some black paint, we are going to do our mouth like a reindeer or like a deer. I hope I am saying everything right, because if I don't, I'm gonna be more stressed out than I am now. With the black, we can contour the nose, but I don't want it to do it, so I'm just gonna do a line from the nose to the mouth, just like that. I hope it's in the camera. Oh. Yes. And then with a, I don't know, I think I'm gonna redo it because I don't like it at all. I'm gonna retouch the red nose, and maybe not with black. I'm going to take the darker brown that I got on the palette, so maybe it looks different, because I think with the black it looks really bad. So we do a line, a better line I think, and we're going to just paint our lip or upper lip. I think Porter gonna come to my house and he's gonna see me like this. Then I'm going to I'm gonna make my bottom lip pink, just to make it look different. My lip bottom, I don't know how to say it, sorry teacher. So I'm gonna take a little of pink and orange to make it look different. We paint it. I don't like how it looks, so I'm gonna remove it. And for the final part, well, for the final of this dear thing, I'm going to take white and a brush to do some white spots on the face, like here, like that, just to look more like a rinder, or like a ear. Wait, a little bit of pequitas. Just right there. I hope it looks right here. I'm gonna do my best try of editing this video. And we are already finished. I think so. And then you can put some mascara just to make it look more feminine or something like that. I'm not gonna use mascara for this makeup, but I already finished, and I already finished my dear makeup, and I hope it looks good. Uy. This is all, and thank you. I hope Ivana makes it right.